In this video, we'll see how we can add order via WhatsApp in WooCommerce for free. Here you can see order via WhatsApp. When I click on it, it will redirect to my WhatsApp number, and all the details will be fetched. Here you can see product name, pricing, product link, and user can send to your number. So we'll see how we can do it for free. It will fetch all the detail if you want to add a custom message, hide anything. Okay, let's go. Now here, now to add WhatsApp chat feature through which user can easily order through WhatsApp. What we'll do, we'll go on plugin, click on add new. Now here search one click chat to order through which we'll set up WhatsApp chat order button through which user can order. Activate it. Now we need to set up it properly. For that, go here, chat order, go on WhatsApp number. First we will add a WhatsApp number. Click on it, give the title. If you want to give name, value, here just add the WhatsApp number, publish. Now WhatsApp number is added. Go here, go on global setting, numbers. Here you can see number is added. Basic. Now here you can see by default my number is selected. Single product page, I want to display on single product page. Here you can see after add to cart, where you want to display after add to cart, you can change the text as per your requirement. Write the text like order via WhatsApp or anything. Show regular price and sale price like in WhatsApp message. When someone click on order via WhatsApp, do you want to show both regular price and sale price? Then click on it, open in new tab. Yes. If you don't want to show prices in WhatsApp chat, then remove it. If you don't want to send product URL through WhatsApp when someone want to order, remove it. Here, text. What will be the text? Quantity, price, URL. What will? Now just save it. What will do? It will just show WhatsApp on single product page. Let's go and see. Scroll down. This is my support. This is my product. This is my product. Here, order via WhatsApp. You can see add to cart. Then below that, order via WhatsApp. I have added icon. If you don't want to add, if you want remove icon or want to change the tag, you can click on it. Now, when I click on it, here you can see it will redirect me with product name, price, URL. And if you want to show some custom message, you can also show that from here. Like from here, you can see custom message like hi, hello, I want to buy. If you want to WhatsApp. Now suppose I want to show here in list product. For that, go here, click here, just enable it. Only display a WhatsApp and hide the buy via WhatsApp. Just save it. Here you can see order via WhatsApp. You can easily see. Now when I click on it, same thing will happen. It will redirect WhatsApp. So that's how very simple. You can order in cart, checkout, or if you and you on side. On now suppose if you want to style it, for that you need to go on display. Now here from here you can change background color, background hover, box shadow if you want to change. can change from here. Okay, then from styling option you can style as per your requirement. This will hide what's put on desktop. If you hide on desktop or mobile, or hide quantity option filter, there are some styling you can do as per your requirement and select this option. Okay, just save it. That's how you can create order via WhatsApp in your WooCommerce website. Thank you.